Hey y'all, it's your girl Tuna. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey y'all. Hey y'all. How you doing today? Hope you're having a good day. How you doing today? How you doing today? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing today? How you doing today? How you doing? How you doing, sugar boots? Today, I'm doing a quick little lunch for Grandma and I. So I did not want to do this and not come and show y'all because I know that y'all be loving my little recipes and stuff I be putting together. So I just wanted to come and do this video for you. All right. So what I'm gonna be making today is a quick little tuna salad, a tuna fish salad, tuna in a can. So I use 3 cans of tuna. You can use the tuna in oil. You can use the tuna in water. I messed up and bought the tuna that's in oil. Never had it before, so we're gonna try it today and see what it's like. Okay. Hopefully it's not a big difference, but I did drain the oil. I had 3 cans of tuna, and I got 4 eggs, and that's all I had. So I normally like a lot of eggs in my tuna, but didn't have it, so I'm working with what I got. All right, so I got me some. This is the last egg. I'm just dicing it up like so. I already got my 3 cans of tuna in there. Alright, hold on one second. Alright, y'all, so I got onions and the tuna fish. That's all that's in there. No seasoning, no nothing, okay? So, I don't never add eggs to tuna fish, y'all. Sorry. I don't never add onion to my salad, y'all. To my tuna fish. But I want to try it this time because I'm making a salad. And sometimes I like onions on my salad. So I'm just going to take this onion and I'm going to dice it up real small. I want it in there, but I don't want, I know I might not even really be able to tell the difference because I'm using salad. Now, maybe if I was eating this on bread and crackers and stuff like that, I probably would be able to tell the difference. But we're going to try it out and see. Y'all know onions don't do nothing but it's the seasoning, and it make your stuff taste good, some stuff. But I don't know now, y'all. I don't know. I'm going to let you know, though. I'm going to let you know how it tastes. So, I'm going to get this onion cut up. I'm going to add this to this tuna. Y'all know I'm about half crazy today, y'all. I'm over here thinking I want to add a piece of bell pepper and all that to it, too. I don't know about all that now. I think I'm running out. I think I'm going to just make this salad and be good. That might, let me just go and use this here onion here. Get that cut on up and stuff. I hope y'all having a good day, good week. Over here using this regular knife. Look, I know the struggle now. Now that I got me some good knives. It's alright, it's doing the job though. I ain't gonna talk about them. Alright, so I got that chopped up nice and fine. So I'm gonna add this into that tuna. I'm also going to add some relish to that as well. So I got my relish right here. And I'm going to squeeze the juice off this relish to dry it out. Because I don't want my salad, my tuna fish, soupy. Okay, so I got my some. Put some more in there. And another good way to make tuna fish, y'all, is cut pickles up in it. Like regular dill pickles. I think I need a little bit more. It might look like a lot so far, but I haven't really used that much for real, see. It ain't that much enough. Alright, so now we got that established. Alright, so we're going to take us a little squeeze of mustard in there. About 2. I don't want it all mustard and stuff. We're going to get us some lemon pepper. We're going to sprinkle a little lemon pepper down in there. And lemon pepper, lemon juice, and all that is good with fish, y'all. So we're going to put us just a little bit of lemon pepper. And for the kick, I'm just going to add just a little sprinkle of cayenne. Just a little bit of sprinkle of cayenne pepper. Okay. Now I'm going to add my HEYY dust, which is my all-purpose seasoning. This one right here is the low sodium one. And so I'm going to add some of this right here for the seasoning. It's not salty at all, so you can use it. Use however much that you need. Get me some mayonnaise. I'm going to start out with just a little bit because, like I say, I don't want this soupy, okay? And we're going to get this all mixed around, y'all. If you would like to get your hands on my HEYY dust, just email me at tiana_seasonings@hotmail.com. TIANA_seasonings, SEASONINGS@hotmail.com. Making sure that I get all that tuna mixed together. This smells good, y'all. Let me give it a taste, see where my seasoning is at. I'm gonna add me some more HEYY dust. Hold on one second. So what I notice is with the tuna fish and oil, it have a more fishier taste. So I got my lemon juice, and I'm just gonna add just a little cap full of this lemon juice. Half a cap. That was about a cap. It was almost a whole cap, but wasn't a whole cap. Mix that together. Normally I like my tuna fish sweet, so I add sugar to it and stuff. And I just might, if I give it a taste this time. Let me taste it now. That lemon juice help cut that taste a little bit. Hold on. Okay, so the only thing I think I need right now is just a little sprinkle of salt. So I'm going to sprinkle just a little salt. And then I'm going to taste it again. Now I'm going to see. I think that did it right now. I think that. You know how when you taste stuff, sometimes it tastes like it be missing something? Let me add me a little bit more HEYY dust. I like my stuff to be good, y'all. Listen, this HEYY dust, let me put a little bit more mustard. How about that? Put another sprinkle, too, of mustard. But you can't taste the onions, though. Let me see. Listen, y'all, you got to do this when you're cooking and making stuff. You got to taste as you go and stuff like that. I like my stuff to be on point, okay? All the way on point. That was it. That's what I needed. Just a little bit more mustard, a little bit more HEYY dust. Y'all, I guarantee, it's almost like I want to add something else. I know what it is. It's the damn sugar. It's the sugar, y'all. I know that's what it is. I guarantee when I add this sugar, this gonna set it off. Cause it's like I got that little sweetness from the relish, but it's like I'm looking for a little bit more. So I'm going in with me about half a teaspoon or a teaspoon, maybe even a teaspoon of sugar. Y'all got to. I love my tuna fish with sugar. Look, y'all. I bet y'all say I thought you said it was perfect. Look, it is perfect. I'm just looking for one taste. I'm looking for one thing. I'm looking for one taste. Bam. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it, y'all. I needed that sweetness to cut back on all the seasonings and the bitter mustard and the lemon juice and the salt and stuff. Got just a little hint of the cayenne pepper in here. And that's it. But it's perfect now, y'all. Oh, it's perfect. Okay. I hate to cut the video because y'all probably like, she probably gonna add something else. I ain't gonna add nothing else. It's perfect, I promise you. But I ain't gonna cut it just for that purpose. So I'm gonna go ahead on and fix this salad real quick so you'll see. I got some lettuce that's already cut up, but some I don't. So let's get to it. I ain't gonna do both of them because I don't want this video to be too long. I thought it was long. Okay. So there we go. Okay, so got my lettuce. So I'm putting some lettuce down in here. And I cut that lettuce myself, y'all. Sure did. So put that lettuce down in there. I'm gonna have to run over here and get the ranch dressing because I'm gonna keep going because I want y'all to see that I'm not gonna add nothing else to this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna fix mine first because I'm gonna let y'all see everything that I'm gonna put on my salad. Okay? I'm not gonna fix grandma's because grandma ain't gonna want all this stuff that I'm gonna want. So I got my lettuce. I got my, matter of fact, we're gonna take this. Matter of fact, honey, every layer need to be seasoned. Okay, so matter of fact, y'all gonna think I need some more, so I ain't gonna put no more on there. But I like to season my lettuce, y'all. I like to season my lettuce. But listen, that seasoning ain't gonna change nothing. It ain't. Ranch dressing, okay? Put these tomatoes right down on top of that. Okay? And now, hold on. Because I'm different. And I like my stuff to have good flavor. So, I'm going to take some tuna and I'm going to put that in there. Just like that. Now, I'm take me some jalapeno peppers. Sprinkle just a few of them right on in there. Okay. Lettuce, tomato. You can add whatever else that you want. It's on you. I ain't telling you what to do. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Alright. This what I got right here. Look at it. Bam. Just turn it around. Alright, y'all. So now I need to mix this up. I took one picture. I'm gonna mix this up. And that is my tuna sandwich, y'all. Get you some crackers to eat it with. And bam, you got a meal. Okay? Hold on, let me find my crackers. Alright, so you know I'm finna give you a little taste, right? Okay? So now, we got this tuna with that tomato, the lettuce, the onions, the celery, the eggs, the mayonnaise, the mustard, the lemon juice, the relish, the HEYY dust, cayenne pepper, jalapenos, lettuce, ranch dressing, and all this goodness all together, honey. And here you go, your bite. Get you some. There you go, boo boo. Go and get you some. How was it? Was it good? I hope it was good. Let me try. Yeah, y'all. That's good. Sweetness right on point. The heat just right. And here go your bite to go. Love y'all. Peace, love, and blessed to each and every one of you guys. And I hope y'all have a blessed day, a blessed week, and a blessed night. Y'all, I forgot to add my cheese. I'm going to add my cheese in there. Y'all know I love cheese. Love me some cheese. Mix my cheese on in it too. Now this is a salad. How did I forget my cheese? Oh, wow, thanks. Now y'all want another bite with the cheese in it? There you go. Tastes better, don't it? All right.